To see the time clock reports, click the graph icon at the left bottom. Then select the required report from the time clock section. You can populate the following reports for the time clock module: attendance statistics, timesheet attendance, timesheet summary, timesheet. The report page also allows you to select the other types of reports from other modules. You can use the date range field to pull a report for any timeline. Filter down the report further for a single or multiple employee, locations and positions, or filter it by the timesheet status. Below is how to print, save a report as CSV, Excel, or PDF. Feel free to contact us at info@humanity.com or dial our toll-free number 1-877-993-8682. We will be happy to assist you.